Hi, I'm Andrew and welcome to Bad Wolf Props. I've been working on some 3D printed Marvel characters lately and ran into a snag when printing Spider-Man. So now I'm going to repaint, and I want to take the opportunity to do a quick video as I primed the print. These models were purchased from Sanix 3D, and I'll link to them in the description. They're very highly detailed models, which makes them a bit of a challenge to print. The older ones, such as Hulk and Hulkbuster, even Spidey, they were all cut up in a way that makes them difficult to assemble and finish afterwards. Now let's head to the garage. I like to use Rust-Oleum's filler primer, the 2-in-1 that is actually sandable, because it allows you to not only fill in these little gaps and cracks and print lines, but then you can sand it much easier than just the standard filler primer. I like to use these spray can attachments for better control and to keep your finger from getting tired when spraying larger things. You want to make sure that you start and stop the spray off the model itself so that you don't get any inconsistencies. You want to make nice slow passes over the entire thing. This is obviously sped up video, but I am making nice slow passes, very consistent, and trying to keep from getting any runs. If you do go too heavy, you will get runs, but at least the filler primer that I use can be sanded down, so it's not the end of the world. Spray the entire model with a nice light coat, not too heavy, because you can always go back and add more layers. That's really about all there is to it. Take your time and make sure to spray in a nice ventilated area. Thanks for watching Bad Wolf Props. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, ring that bell if you want to be notified when I do more of my tutorials.